हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू क्रिकेट टीवी ऑल थिंग्स क्रिकेट एंड मोर। आज हम एक नया सेगमेंट लेके आए हैं आपके साथ, मिड सीजन रिव्यू सेगमेंट। वी विल डिवाइड दिस सेगमेंट इनटू 3 episodes, top 3, bottom 3, mid 4. And today I'm Hetu Patel and we have Narayan Pasari with us. उनके क्रिकेट इंसाइट और बोल्ड ओपिनियंस के लिए वो जाने जाते हैं। And we have Nikhil Morsawala with us, the strategic mind behind the madness. So let's start this episode with the bottom three. CSK at the bottom, SRH, and then Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan.
CSK with net run rate of minus
276.
1.276. Yes.
Yeah.
5 times champion रह चुके हैं और इस बार bottom of the table. What do you think? Are they losing their core identity?
Narayan.
So I think there is a mid-term crisis there. Rituraj, who was the captain, has been will not be playing the entire season now, as far as I've been told. So द्रोणाचार्य जी आ गए हैं वापस उधर to take control. लेकिन अभी उनका क्या grip है? See what happens. Rituraj plays throughout the year, so they play in other games also. Mr. Dhoni does not play that game very often. One game he plays. So we don't know how things work out. So that could be an issue. Plus, if you see, in fact, Noor Ahmed has a purple cap.
Yes. Yes.
And he belongs to CSK. And 12 wickets ले चुके हैं, basically. Actually. लेकिन Ashwin is not doing that well. Patirana is not doing bowling that well. And, you know, there, even Rachin Ravindra should have played off, you know, perfectly. So, हुडा जी नहीं खेल रहे हैं. So there are, you know, the way those stalwarts who have been picked up have been not playing that well to their, और 7 में से अभी खाली 2 मैच जीते हैं इन्होंने. तो मेरे ख्याल से खाली मिराकिल इनको बचा सकता है to take it to the qualifying round. Nikhil.
Yeah, I think and honestly they don't deserve to win. So one is where you are and one is where you deserve to be, right? मुझे लगता है इनको कहीं ना कहीं जब से महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने कैप्टनसी रिलिंक्विश
छोड़ी है
और किसी के हाथ में दे दी है, तब से कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है. या तो एमएसडी का एक फॉल्ट पकड़िए, टीम का फॉल्ट पकड़िए, जो आपने कैप्टन चूज किया उसका फॉल्ट पकड़िए, मुझे नहीं पता. लेकिन अगर आप कोई कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एग्जाम्पल्स दिखना चाहते हैं तो आप रजत पाटीदार को देखिए बेंगलोर में, जहाँ पे विराट कोहली जैसा भी एक महारथी उसके सिर पे बैठा है. लेकिन उसने जिस तरह से अपनी कप्तानी निभाई है, उसने जिस तरह से टीम को संभाला, आई थिंक दैट्स अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाउ यू आर नॉट ओवरशैडोड बाय योर सीनियर्स. एंड आई थिंक सीएसके इज द क्लासिक opposite example of how you are completely overshadowed. And in spite of the fact that you are the captain, you are not the captain. And then what happens is that you have multiple captains on the field. You have more generals and less soldiers. You can never win a battle, right? You have one general and many soldiers, you can win the battle. Too many generals giving too many directions and few soldiers to fight the battle, not going to work. So you may have a Noor Ahmed wearing a purple cap, but that doesn't help. That one man cannot change anything. You need to have everybody firing on all cylinders, as you saw in Punjab playing their matches over the last so many weeks. And I think everybody in that team, you take one name in that team and you'll say, yes, this guy performed in a particular match. In CSK, you will take one name only that performed, Noor Ahmed. Nobody else has performed. तो मुझे लगता है एक तो डिजर्व नहीं करते हैं. दूसरा, midlife crisis, I agree with that statement. There is an issue. They don't know where they're heading. They don't have a succession plan. They don't have tomorrow's players playing today. They have yesterday's players playing today. That is a big minus. And I think if that doesn't work, CSK will remain at the bottom of the table for the next couple of seasons unless they bring in fresh talent, new talent, hungry talent, and not people like Jadeja and Ashwin and Dhoni and people. खेल लिया, अभी क्या करना है, सब कुछ खेल लिया, Hetwi made one comment in the initial part of our programs that everybody has already played international. So what is there to look forward to? it's those people who have not played international and who want to perform and graduate to the international scenario who will actually give their best. Like the Priyansh Aryas of the world or like the Shashank Singhs of the world who want to
Correct.
go somewhere and therefore they give their all their might. Yeah, तो
Correct.
चलता है, चलो ठीक है, टक 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 चलती का नाम गाड़ी. So I think they don't deserve to win. Going on to SRH, again they don't deserve to win. Fantastic talent, played very badly. I love them. I was rooting for them as the dark horse, and people like Pat Cummins being the captain. You wanted the team to win. But just the performance, you don't see the body language you see in the Punjab. Again, I keep on saying Punjab because yesterday's match we'll talk about later. But just the body language, the attitude, the celebration after a wicket, that even from the overseas players, that hunger, like you saw in Henrich Klassen in SRH, he's the only guy I think in SRH who shows that urgency to do something. I think that one man can't make a difference. So SRH, I think out. RR is my favorite. So from the bottom three, I would still say RR, do something. You still have time. 7 मैच और है, सातों मैच जीतो, 9 तक चले जाओ. Please come on the top four. And that's my team that I've been supporting for the last 3 seasons. And in spite of the changes in the team, I still think Sanju Samson, in spite of all his flaws, is a great captain. A lot of flaws, but in spite of all his flaws, great captain, a great person to emulate. Except for some of his softness that he shows and some of the laid back attitude that he has. Otherwise, great captain and a great team, by the way, with Yashasvi Jaiswal sitting right on top there. And I think they need to just get their act together a little more, because in the last match they lost in that super over. They had no business to lose that match. They were there. They were there to win it. They were almost there, and they just
Gave it
they
away.
messed it up in that
Mm.
last over. I don't know what Hitman was thinking and what the other guy with him was thinking, but they messed it up. There was no need for the super over. They deserved to lose the super over, but now they need to pull up their socks and I think really get there, because my team, I want them to win. Narayan,
Definitely.
yeah.
So
Narayan, yeah.
Nikhil's love for his Marwadi friends, allows him to speak too much on Rajasthan Royal than Hyderabad and Chennai. So
Yes.
he is an interested party in his comments actually. But I still feel I agree with him. Rajasthan at 188 was supposed to win. There was no
Yes.
chance of losing from that point of time actually, and they won to lose possibly, or lost to win, whatever it is. And that was one thing. As far as Rajasthan, I still feel if they are on 4 points and they have another 7 games to go. So 7 में से अगर 5 भी जीत जाते हैं, so they are at 14. So there are good chances of coming in over there basically. अभी उधर भी there are some people, they are also relying too much on a Jaiswal or a Nitish Rana, or a Geoffrey Archer. तो ऐसा नहीं यार, संजू. लेकिन there are other people. और रेयान अभी तक खेला नहीं है actually. So those people also have to rise, and the entire team has to gel as a team actually.
Yes.
It cannot be too much basically. So
They've shown
that is
flashes
as
of
far
that,
as,
but yeah, it's not been consistent.
Yeah.
No.
and Hyderabad, as I said, it was too much hype from day one. 300 par, all that stuff. जब से वो 300 बार बोला है ना, वो 200 भी नहीं पहुंचे हैं actually, देखा जाए तो.
सही है,
और क्या है,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही.
and see, that's the only team which has a foreign national captain. All 9 other teams have Indian captains.
Yeah,
if you see.
that's
So,
a good observation. Yes, you're right.
तो
Yeah.
पैट कमिंस भी अकेला क्या करेगा बेसिक.
No, he himself has not been performing. See, again,
Yeah.
हाँ, वो खुद भी नहीं कर रहा है ना.
perform नहीं कर पा रहे ना.
अभी उसमें उधर
खुद
क्या
भी
है, एक
perform करते तो-
हर्षल परफॉर्म कर रहा है ना. और वो जीशन इज अ गुड यंग गाय बट डूइंग क्वाइट वेल फॉर हिमसेल्फ.
Yeah.
अभिषेक है, क्लासन कुछ काम नहीं कंपैरेटिवली टू व्हाट हिज हार्ड हिटिंग वेज आर देयर एक्चुअली. लेकिन वो भी इतना नहीं कर रहा है. बट दो सो दे इट इज टू मच हाइप, and I don't know how much they will go from here, but wish them all the best. This is what I can tell.
Yes.
Hetvi, your view?
I think Hyderabad's confidence is missing. They are still struggling. कि उनका playing 11 and who will play what, who should, who's responsible for what. So I don't see SRH moving ahead anytime soon. With the kind of team they have the capacity, but I don't see it honestly moving forward. And yes, Rajasthan, we have been waiting for
Coming
Yes.
back to Chennai. for the future years. It is not only the fire in the belly for the players, it has to be a fire in belly for the management and the owners also.
Yes,
They have
yes.
to think out of the box कि इसको पोच करना है, इसको उठाना है, क्योंकि ऑक्शंस के बाद में एवरीबडी पैसा लगाना है तो मैनेजमेंट को लगाना है ना पैसा.
सही.
So they have to pick up good advisors, good coaches, and they, as you said, 5 बार जीते हैं, ऐसा तो है नहीं जीते हैं. So, and Mr. MSD should, in this episode, in this edition, or maximum after the edition, should say goodbye so they can get in
Yes.
good people.
Yeah.
He
अभी
should focus
उनका
more on Dream 11.
उनका अभी fear factor नहीं दिख रहा है. So I think yes,
Yeah.
Dream 11 is a better, farming is a
उसको
better
अभी ड्रीम
opportunity.
11 पे ध्यान देके एडवर्टाइजमेंट करके पैसा कमाना है और न कि मैदान में खेलना है.
No. If you take the corporate side, the cement company was sold off after hiving off the IPL team. तो क्या होता है? Once you had a larger picture, now you have a very small corner, island now. First you had a country, तो focus भी जरा कम हो जाता है actually.
Hetvi, you were telling us about your views on Rajasthan.
Yeah, I think उनका they'll have to continue, like their momentum जो है वो कभी आ रहा है कभी नहीं आ रहा है. So I think they'll have to continue with that and maybe clear something, क्योंकि Joss Butler, Yashasvi Jaiswal, there is a lot of expectation from them. The kind of season Yashasvi Jaiswal had the previous season, वो अभी इस बार नहीं है, and that's the expectation, that's the bar he has set. और वो let's see. But yeah, of the bottom three, I think Rajasthan Royals can bring themselves up or upgrade themselves one way or other. So these were our bottom three teams: CSK, SRH, and RR. Let us know in the comment section, what do you think? Who do you think will, if at all, will make it to playoffs? और हमारा dugout drop contest चालू है, तो वो मत भूलिए. Who do you think is the most underrated player of this IPL season? Comments में बताइए और मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में to discuss about the mid four. Thank you.